Good morning all. I am Suresh. In this video, I will show how to use your mobile phone as your webcam. For this, no need to purchase any external webcams. You just use your mobile phone as your webcam. For this, go to your Play Store and try to download this app, that is DriedCam wireless webcam. So just click on install. Once this app is installed, just click on open. Click on next and click on allow DriedCam to take pictures and record video. Just click on allow and allow DriedCam to record audio. Click. Once this app was installed, it will show this Wi-Fi IP and port number. So here you have this arrow button. You just click on this one, and whether you want to select front camera or back camera. As I will use it as a webcam, better to just select front camera. And I can use this app in two modes. I can use as a Wi-Fi mode, or other one is USB. It is better to use USB mode only because there is no delay in the webcam. So for allowing that USB mode, just you have to give the permission for this mobile as USB debugging mode. For giving the permission as debugging mode, just go to your settings. In that settings, go to your about phone. In that, you just open your build number. Go to your build number. Okay, just click on this build number 7 times so that you will become as a developer. Once you become as a developer, just go to your additional settings. Go to this additional settings. In that we have developer options, right? Go to this developer options and just click on this developer options. In that you have this USB debugging. Okay, just select this USB debugging mode. Just click on OK. Now this USB debugging mode was enabled. So just click on this DriedCam app and just open this one. Now for using this mobile phone as a web camera, you just go to your Google browser. For this one you have to install one app, that is your DriedCam web client. Just click on this DriedCam web client. Go to this first link, that is Windows Dev 47 apps. Go to this one. And once you go to this one, you just click on this DriedCam client. So just click on this official download. Click on this link. Okay. So just for installing this DriedCam client app, just click on this link. Just click on next. I agree. You click on next. Install. Click on finish. Now you can see one shortcut is there, right? So for this one, first you have to use this mobile phone. You have to connect that mobile phone through your USB cable, and you have to open your DriedCam app in your Android mobile, and after that you have to switch on debugging mode, USB debugging mode in your mobile. That everything is done. So now I will click on this DriedCam app. Yeah, this screen will be like this. In this we have Wi-Fi mode. So if I have Wi-Fi mode, just go to your phone. Okay, in that we have this Wi-Fi, right? So whatever the Wi-Fi address is there, that you have to enter over here. This IP address, you have to enter this 192.168. Like that you can connect using Wi-Fi. But if you are connecting using Wi-Fi, then there may be some connection problems or Wi-Fi, and there is some delay. So better you can go for this USB. Okay, you connect over USB. For this one, you just select this USB mode and you just click on this refresh. If the mobile is on in debugging mode like this, okay, this is your USB debugging enabled. It will show USB debugging enabled. Once this is done, then when you click on this refresh, it will show the device name. Okay, that is CPH1969. So for this one, if you want to get this device, what are the two things that you have to do is, one is you have to open DriedCam app in your mobile, and you have to turn on USB debugging mode. Then you just select this device USB cable and just click on start. Now this was the mobile was running with mobile is acting as a webcam. Okay. Now I want to use this mobile cam for any app. If I want to take the Google Meet, then I will open this, start a meeting. Once I turned on this meeting, I will click on join now. Now if I want to use that mobile as webcam, just go to this settings. In that video, you just select this Droid cam source as your camera. Just click on done. So once you turn on your camera, you just see, so it is acting, your mobile is acting as a webcam. Now you can easily record. Okay, you will find this type of mobile phone holders. So you can use that mobile phone holders. You can connect to your laptop, okay, on the top of laptop, so that it will be acting as a webcam. Or if I want to take the class from Zoom, then open your Zoom screen and click on new meeting. Once the meeting is started, so you can see this is your webcam. It is not your webcam, just your mobile phone. Okay, so how I am using this, why I am getting this default, because you just go to this video and you have to select this Droid cam. Okay, so that my mobile is acting as a webcam. Okay. Hope this video will be useful. No need to purchase any webcam, just you can use your mobile phone as your webcam. Thank you all.